In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a barcode in Microsoft Excel. We'll turn a simple list of IDs into scannable barcodes using a free barcode font. First, download a barcode font such as Code 39 or Code 128 from a reputable source and install it on your computer. Installing a font is the same as any other font on your system. Open the font file and choose Install. Code 39 is the easiest for this walkthrough because it doesn't need extra functions. Code 128 is more compact but often requires an encoder. If you're just getting started, pick Code 39. Once the font is installed, completely close Excel and reopen it. This refreshes Excel's font list so the new barcode font appears in the font menu. If a workbook is already open, save it, shut Excel down, and then launch it again. Next, prepare your data. In column A, enter the IDs you want to turn into barcodes, one per row. These can be numbers or text. If you use numbers with leading zeros, format the cells as text before typing so Excel doesn't strip those zeros. Keep entries clean, no extra spaces at the beginning or end since those can affect the barcode. Now create the formula that the barcode font will convert. In cell B2, type italatad NA2N and press enter. Those asterisks are the start and stop characters that many scanners expect for code 39. Copy the formula down column B for all your rows. If you chose code 128, be aware that it typically requires a different approach or an add-in. For this demo, we're focusing on code 39. Apply the barcode font. Select the cells in column B and change the font to the barcode font you installed. Instantly, the text wrapped in asterisks will render as barcode bars. Keep column A as your human-readable label and column B as the barcode. Finally, adjust the size so it's readable and scannable. Increase the font size in column B until the bars are clear. Sizes in the 24 to 36 point range often work well, but adjust based on your needs. Widen the column and increase row height so the entire barcode is visible. Turn off text wrap and center the content horizontally for a clean look. A quick tip: test a few entries with a barcode scanner or a reliable mobile scanning app. If something doesn't scan, check that the font is correctly applied, the asterisks are present, there are no extra spaces, and the font isn't bold or italic. That's all it takes to create barcodes in Excel. Download the font, refresh Excel, prepare your data, wrap it with asterisks, apply the font, and size it for clarity.